These are the elevators at the Fantech Stadium North Parking Garage in Fantech City. Original Montgomery Vector elevators. Identical to the West Parking Garage, except these are the original Montgomery Vectors. Let's go up to the red level. 4th floor of the parking garage. Here we are at the red level. Let's go back down to the blue level, lower level. See, these are what the West parking garage elevators used to look like. Here we are back at the blue level. We're going to go back up to pink, but we'll press all these other buttons just so you can see them light up. But we're going to end the video on pink. And that's it.